Hi, this is Ronald here, and today I have another quick FFmpeg tutorial. So today I want to show you guys how you can convert a PNG image into a JPEG image, or basically to convert any image format to a different type using FFmpeg. So obviously, you will need FFmpeg installed, and that is accessed through the command line. So what I'll do is I'll just type in CMD to open the command line in this demo folder I have here. So in the demo folder, we have a couple of PNG images. So these are some thumbnails I want to upload to YouTube. So some of these thumbnails are over 2 megabytes, which YouTube does not accept. So the easiest way to solve that is just to convert it to a JPEG. Yeah, so I'll bring up the command line and I'll just confirm FFmpeg's there. Cool. All right. So it's a pretty simple command. So it's FFmpeg, and then you got to put a -I, and this specifies the input file. Yeah, so put the input file in quotes because generally your input file will have spaces and the command line doesn't really like spaces. So we'll copy and paste that to the command line, and then we'll specify the output. You can also put that in quotes if you want spaces. So we can say Call of Duty 1 thumbnail.jpg, and you press enter, and FFmpeg will do that pretty fast. So if we have a look here, we can see we've converted this 2 megabyte file into 146 kilobytes, which is going to be a lot which is going to play a lot nicer compared to the PNG file. So if we just compare the two images, we can see the conversion. It's done a decent job with the conversion. It's it's pretty difficult to tell the difference between the two. We don't see much quality loss. If you have a look at the command line output, it will give you kind of these error messages, these warning messages, but as we can see, it doesn't really make a difference to the output, so it's safe to ignore them for the most part. And you always do have the original. The original file is preserved. So yeah, that is pretty much it. It's pretty much as simple as that. So if you want to convert an image without relying on a website or some customized program, you can always use FFmpeg. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions or thoughts, please post them in the comments, and you can subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have a good day. Bye.